learning always. Today we are going to create an app, perfect app. So come on. Hey. No. See. Button 8, button 7. Yes. See. Keep uneven button and click it here and put it as button 5 and take set number click label 3 get number text input 4 text input 5. Now 5 there, no, only change the button into 6, button 6, again button 7 and do the same, set the number label 30 and remember that go to design and check screen 3 and check 4, 5, 6, 7 code. Keep screen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again put, now you are doing 6, no? 6 is this. 6 is multiply and we need to keep multiply. See, multiply. Again uneven button 7, set the number same, but we need to keep, we need to go and keep this one, this one, divide operator, divide two numbers. Okay, that we need to keep to 7. Again take another one, put it back over here and uneven button 8 is clicked. Set screen to 1. Uneven button 9 is clicked. Again the same. Set the screen into screen 1. Now let's check. Addition. You can do any app. Yes. Yes. So we had finally created our app. Then rename it as a calculator. Again click save. Click share. Copy. Paste. Send. Paste. Send. If you are from mobile, you can do the same. If you are from laptop, you need to log in with whatsapp.com. Okay? And you need to scan that one from your phone. Then only you will get from that particular phone which you had scanned. Send it, again keep. Again. So we had completed our app. After completing our app, you can send to your ma'am, coding ma'am. If you are a person from White Hat Junior, you can send it to your ma'am by calling, or in your class you can share the link and you can show that how you have done and your ma'am will tell very great, okay. and this is about important, and your father will not need to use any GB calculator like that. He can open this link and he can do anything what he wanted. You can also do it, okay? If you hope you like it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Crazy Kids Learning Always. Keep watching my channel Crazy Kids Learning Always. Thank you. Meet you on another video. On another video we're gonna make a big one that I will tell you. Okay? So bye bye.